Yes, we are ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yeah. Good. How many copies have you prepared?
3, sir.
Oh. This page 1, huh?
Yes. Yes,
Serious with what you are doing.
absolutely. We have
Well, this time we
very
looked at
thoroughly.
it.
Looked at it.
Yeah.
We
Class
have
by
gone through
class.
this very thoroughly.
Comma by comma. We really come to try. In fact, we started by yesterday.
Education, they removed how much? Development. Education.
500 million.
500 million.
It was 572. They slashed 500. They left
72.
72 million.
Disaster.
500.
500 as well.
And these are functions which are not transferred.
They were not
Yeah,
transferred.
they're not transferred.
Inspectorate from my office.
No, inspectorate, it was strange because
The inspectorate only, it is a,
they transferred the entire inspectorate to the NMS,
NMS.
then increased the budget from 1.2 to 1.6.
Yes.
Yeah.
then for development, they transfer it to
Entirely to the
To NMS.
NMS. Whereas there are some functions which remain with the county government which still requires ward development.
Yeah.
This would have appropriated for the functions which
Yeah.
was transferred.
Okay, here we are. Where's my pen?
Yes, it is.
It's,
Okay, I have reviewed the budget that was passed by the Nairobi County Assembly. I've identified the various inconsistencies with the Constitution of Kenya, the Public Finance Management Act, and the County Government Act. It is for this reason that I return this bill to the County Assembly for further consideration as provided for in Section 24 of the County Government Act. So,
Yes. Rejected. Get the dates.
15. You put his signature too.